Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. We're doing March 11th through the 17th. Again, I don't know why I don't save time to do planning better than this, but it is a quick and easy plan with me. I love when it is changing into like spring or any of the different, what am I thinking? Different seasons. And reason being is because it makes planning so simple. I'm just going to stick with some of these nice little spring colors, and everything will be just peachy. So I'm going to throw some color on here just by using a really pretty washi tape that I had. Anybody who has visited my craft room knows that I have hundreds upon hundreds of washi tape, and I usually send them home with some. So to make this quick and easy, I just grabbed the stickers here that have the seasons. In fact, they are called seasonal stickers. So I'm just going to go to the spring here. I think this is spring, yep. So just to start off, we've got St. Patrick's Day. In fact, I'm going to wait a minute on there. I'm going to look at everything they have first. So we've got our spring bucket list. We've got some great fun stickers here, like Mother's Day, and then some of these nice task stickers, and then you go into summer. So this is everything we can play with here. That again is some more spring, and I think we're just going to kind of go along. That is fall. So here we go. We're just going to kind of go along, and these match very nicely. So I'm going to take some of these little stickers and kind of put them on here just as it was maybe meant to be. There we go. And then for decorating purposes, where was that? St. Patrick's is right there. I'm going to take this little guy, and I'm going to put it down here. I'm actually going to cover up the little clover that they have already and stick that down there, and then put that St. Patrick's Day sticker right over it to really make it pop there. And then look at this, it says wear green. So we'll put this one right here. I think, actually I think we'll put him right down here. There we go. So we've got some fun stuff here. There's not really anything I'm going to be doing on my little bucket list. But I do like this happiness sticker here. I think we're going to put it just right here. Now again, remember I have my week already somewhat planned in my head. I always have like stickers and stuff to remind myself of things that are going to be happening. And so when I take them off, I just keep them to the side to help me remember. And then I know exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So again, just going through these. I don't have to use all of them. I love that I can use it over the course of what I'm going to be doing. And I think I am going to take this little today sticker, and I'll stick that right up here. And then grab one of those activity lists here. And start the week out with, oh, let's see, there we go. Start the week out with my little to-do list. Actually, I'll stick it right here along this today. Oh, that's cute. There we go. And now we have our little list of things that we can do there. And then I'm going to just set that up to the side. I'm going to get into this little fitness area here. I'm going to grab this one that says H2O on here and really keep track of this water intake. Sticking that guy there. And I'm just going to look here for something that'll go nicely in this one. Just still looking. I think I like this little guy, and it'll fit right perfect in there. And I always have to turn it when I'm trying to put things in there nice and properly. Luckily, it all is going to work out perfect. Look how perfect that fits in there. So then just looking for some of those little, really quickly here. Here we go. These little guys. And I'm going to use this Hustle sticker, and not just for fitness, because I have things that I will have to be doing here to get things done, and I know on Friday I will really be hustling. So I'm going to take some of these little guys like this and just stick them down in a corner. And having a bit of an issue here. There we go. And I'll put this one over here. And this one here. And just looking at these, I like this little guy. It says work hard, don't give up. And I'm actually going to stick that right here on Saturday, because I have things that I have to do, and I know I'll need the inspiration. And then just looking at the rainbow. Now this is from the big, but we're not using a happy planner at all, so we could do whatever we want. I love this goals sticker here. And we'll just stick that guy right here just as a gentle reminder. And again, these are all different colors. And this one is going to be very, what's the word that I'm looking for? This one is going to be very inspirational, I think, just because I know how busy I'm going to be. And it looks to be all of the same. Here's the take action. That one's good. And because I know it's going to be so busy, you'll see that I'm leaving a lot of white space. Because you guys often ask, don't I write anything? And I do. But when I have things that have to get done, then I know to leave the space. But I also use these little guys as a way to keep track. And I know that I have to do some grocery shopping on that night. And let's see here. I'm going to have another little to-do. And it does not have to be, you don't have to have the check marks. You could just write your list however you'd like. And then this one here I'm going to use, because we do have an anniversary. I think we're going to use this colorful here. And that St. Patrick's Day is my kid's anniversary. So we've got that there. I just noticed here we've got a concert. And I definitely have a concert on this night. Gonna go check out Zach Brown Band. So I'll stick that there. I don't think we have any birthdays. So we're good there. Oh, here we go, game night. I do have a game night here. Actually, I think I'm going to put it right down here. It'll be after I get all my stuff completed. There we go. And I am about done. I'm going to look for another to do here. I'm just going to look at this real quick. Of course, afterwards, when I start writing and getting ready to write, I will put more stickers and whatnot as I plan more of my day. So if you want to see the complete finished, make sure you go to my Instagram to check it out. And I was looking for one more thing here, and this is it. And we're going to get this guy, because this is my water. And what I do is I just use one instead of every single day. I just use one for each day. So if I've done my water intake for the day, then I'm good to go. And I'm going to put this one right butt up alongside of it. I'm having issues here. I don't know why I need to have these straight. There we go. And there we go. Super cute already. All right, I think we're good. I think I have a couple coffee stickers that I'm going to add. And then that's about it. And then the rest is going to be all ink. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Again, check out my Instagram if you want to see the final reveal before the ink. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!